Good morning, students. Welcome to our e-learning platform. Today we will continue with our chapter 11, that is force, machine and energy. We will complete its part 2. Let's start with simple machines. What are simple machines? Simple machines are tools which makes our work easier and faster. These tools are called simple machines. Example, like a pair of scissors, a tongue, a wheelbarrow, a hammer, etc. Next is types of simple machines. There are 6 types of simple machines. Those are lever, inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel and axle, and pulley. A lever is a straight rod or a board that is fixed at one point and helps to lift or move the object from the other point. It has 3 parts: fulcrum, load, effort. According to the position of load, fulcrum and effort, the levers are classified into 3 types: first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. First class lever. When the fulcrum is in between the load and effort, it is first class lever. For example, a seesaw and a pair of scissors, a plier, etc. Second class lever. When the load is between the fulcrum and the effort, it is second class lever. For example, nutcracker, wheelbarrow, a bottle opener, etc. Third class lever. When the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load, it is third class lever. For example, fishing rod, ice tongs and tweezer, etc. Next simple machine is inclined plane. Inclined plane is a slope. It helps us to load or unload object. Example, ramp. Another simple machine is wedge. A knife, a fork and an axe are all examples of wedge. A wedge is thick at one end and thin and sharp at the other end. It can pull an object or cut it into pieces. Other simple machine is screw. A screw is also an inclined plane, but it is spiral at one end and holds object firmly. A bulb, a nut bolt are example of screw. Next is wheel and axle. When a wheel has a rod attached to it which helps in movement, the rod is called axle. The axle helps the wheel to move. We find a wheel and axle machine in sewing machines, bicycle. The steering wheel of a car is also an example of wheel and axle machine. And last simple machine is pulley. A wheel which has grooves on its own, which a rope or a chain moves to lift object, is called pulley. Pulley is used to draw water from a well. We have pulley in elevators, cranes to lift heavy objects. That's all for today's video. Remaining part will be continued in our third part. Till then, bye. Take care.